Hi, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create these images for free. Open browser. Search for Microsoft Bing. And now click on Images. Click on Create. Write your prompt here. Prompt is given in the description below. Click here to download. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get every update from Mad of AI.